The Septuagint. What exactly is it? Who translated it, and when? Did the early Christians use it? Did Jesus and the apostles quote from it? Did the Reformers and the post-Reformation Orthodox regard it as authentic? Why is it referenced in the footnotes of modern versions of the Bible? The Reformation Bible Society will be exploring and answering these questions and more at an academic symposium scheduled for August 3rd, 2024. It will be held at the Liberty Mountain Conference Center in Lynchburg, Virginia. And speakers will include Russell Fuller, Jeffrey Riddle, David Kranendonk, Christian McShaffrey, Jonathan Arnold, Peter Van Cleek Jr., and more. A call for short papers has been issued for breakout sessions, and you can find out more or register today by visiting reformationbiblesociety.org.